What is a financial plan and why do you need one? Look, if you've worked hard to build your career, grow your income, and even save, you maybe found yourself at a point where there's extra money. You have a margin. If that's you, congratulations. Again, you've worked hard to get to this point, to grow in your career, to grow your income, and start saving. You might even be looking at your savings account and thinking, man, that's growing faster than I thought it was. What should I do with this excess cash flow? And asking that question, it's an awesome question. You're doing it right. It means that you want to make the most of the money that you've been working so hard for. This, again, is really good. Some of the things you may be considering with this excess cash flow is making sure that you're putting the right amount of money away for retirement. It could be saving for your family's financial future, maybe vehicles for your children or education for your children. It could be other things like second homes or maybe a business that you want to start eventually. Again, congratulations. This is awesome. And these questions are really good. But how do you know if you're going to meet some of those goals? How do you know you'll be able to answer those questions well? That is what a financial plan is. It helps you answer all those questions. It's a conversation that you have with a fiduciary, an investment advisor that gets to know your needs and your goals. Then they evaluate your current income, assets, and other areas of your finances against those needs, against those goals. And they create a roadmap to help you get there. What's more is a financial plan will help you find certain areas in your finances that could be dangerous or lethal. I'm talking about potholes that you may step in or things that are missing that absolutely need to be there. They'll ensure that the entirety of your financial picture is safe, giving you even more peace of mind. So this is a literal game plan, a step-by-step process that you can follow, a roadmap that will help you meet some of your future financial goals. It's also peace of mind to make sure that you are doing things correctly. There isn't anything that's missing. Now, here's something that's a little nuance about financial plans. They're very specific to an individual. A good financial plan, it can't be done with a template. You need to meet with a real person, a wise and loving advisor, someone that you trust. This person will act in your best interest by putting themselves in your shoes with their wisdom and their knowledge, and they'll ask some really specific questions about your personal situation. Beyond that, they'll pore over many documents, things like your income statements, your asset statements, and your insurance, to make sure that what you have and where you want to go, they match up correctly. There has never been a financial plan that looks exactly the same as somebody else's. Again, these are personal, they're nuanced. Everyone has a different financial plan. So let's address a fear real quick. A lot of people might be scared to engage with a financial advisor and getting a financial plan because they're scared. Look, when you have a headache and you go visit the doctor, in the back of your mind, you may be wondering, is he going to tell me I have cancer? There's that fear that something lethal could be happening. This unknown of what's going on inside of your head may be revealed to you, and that's scary. But remember, the reason why you're here and in this place with your finances is because you're doing so much right already. More often than not, you're going to be encouraged leaving these appointments. And the goal of a financial plan is to give you more confidence, not to give you more fear. Look, I get it. You don't want to talk with a financial advisor so that they can tell you how bad your finances are. But that's not what a financial plan is. It's a time to celebrate, and it's a time to take what you work so hard for and make the most of it. This is fun. Now, if you're like most people, you may be wondering if this financial plan really is right for you, if it's something that you should be doing. Listen, I get it. I recently had a conversation with a friend on a golf course where he was working so hard with his family over the past several years to do the right things financially, to budget, to make sure that they were paying down debt, to make sure that they were saving consistently. And he was in that mindset for so long that now he's entered into a place of a little bit of abundance, a little bit of margin. It feels weird for him. He's still in that kind of protective mode where he feels like he has to scrimp and save. And the idea of getting a financial plan is intimidating. Or even the idea of spending money on a financial plan is foreign and weird. This friend has been working hard with his finances. He's been controlling so much of things to help him get to this new place. So another one of the foreign concepts with the financial plan is this: why can't I do it myself? Why do I need to pay an advisor to walk me through this? Well, I will answer that question with a few more questions. Do you know all the tax codes? You know, those ones that are ever changing and how they impact the amount of taxes you pay on your income and even your assets? Do you know information about assets? What asset classes are the best mix to ensure you're diversified correctly and you're going to be safe? Speaking of safety, do you know all the different types of insurance that are out there? And how to properly evaluate which insurance you need that you're missing, and maybe which insurance you're paying for that you don't need anymore? And do you know all the proper time horizons on investment returns to help you understand if you will meet your financial goals by the time that you want to meet them? These are just a few things that a wise financial advisor is an expert in. Again, you've entered into a new territory, a place where there's some abundance. And the real reason why you're wondering if this is right for you is because you're asking the question, am I doing this right? Could I be doing this more efficiently? Working with somebody who does this day in, day out, this is their full-time vocation. This is what they focus a large percentage of their life in. It will help you ensure that you can answer the question, yes, I am doing it right. Yes, I have confidence about my financial goals, and yes, I'm making the most of what I worked so hard for. So these videos are being produced and put together by my company, Stewardship, and we'd be absolutely honored to help build a financial plan for you. But if you're even considering a financial plan, hear this before you hear anything else. Please go get one, whether it's from my company or not. I think it's extremely valuable to have as part of your personal financial journey. This is a big deal. Again, it'll help you make the most of the money that you worked hard for and give you so much confidence. You'll be able to meet your goals quicker. The bottom line with a financial plan, you'll be able to go further, faster. So, go get one, whether it's with Stewardship or it's not. Now, if you've appreciated this video, you've appreciated the tone that we have, where at Stewardship, we try to love people and their finances with wisdom, go to stewardship.pro and schedule an appointment. There, you can meet with one of our investment advisors and talk about what it looks like to have a financial plan for you. These initial meetings, these first meetings for the financial plan, they're free. We just want to get to know you. We want to build a relationship with you and make sure that a financial plan is, yes, correct and accurate for you.